Hey guys, I wanted to kind of give you a quick overview of a new tool that I've discovered, and this was recently featured on the Higher Ed Marketer podcast recently. It's called GeoFli, and they've been kind enough to be able to provide me a way to kind of play around with it a little bit, to kind of explore it a little bit more and to understand it so that I can recommend it for some of my clients. And so it's called geofli.com. If you log in, you're going to get to the login screen. Once you have an account, you'll have this ability to go in and basically create new pages anywhere on your website to customize content based on where your user's coming from. So if you look on my current website right here, I've got a section here on the website, if you scroll down, that says We Understand Indiana. And I basically show off some of the schools that we work with here in Indiana. That's based on the fact that the program knows that I am accessing the website from Indiana based on my IP address. So the way that works is that when you come into GeoFli, you can create this home page, and depending on where you are, you can create new sections for different areas. And so right now I've got a default that just doesn't show up at all. So nothing shows up if they don't come here. It just says We Understand You. But if you come from Indiana, it will have, I can edit that, and I can say We Understand Indiana, and I can edit this, and I can then, change my, location that I want and update the content. If I want to go back and I want to do just like, Western Michigan, Grand Rapids, I can edit that. And I can understand, change it. We understand Western Michigan with our work with Cornerstone and Kuiper. We understand the region, and then I can actually go in and I can update the content so that it's based on, where I want to be. And I can draw a circle. I can do a 10-mile radius, anything like that. The thing I really love about this is the fact that it just allows so much flexibility. So, a couple of use cases that I would consider would be if you have a website and you've got different tuition for out-of-state versus in-state. My son is looking at a school in Ohio right now, but they offer in-state tuition for the surrounding counties around Indianapolis, Indiana, as well as Indianapolis. And so we could look at the college website, see the tuition page, and know that because we are in that county, our cost for that county would be less, and it would be in-state tuition. You could also do it for alumni events. So if you had an event that was going to happen in, let's say, San Francisco, you could do a ring around San Francisco, maybe an hour out, and on the alumni page and target all the alumni that are from that area to come to your event. You could also look at it from an enrollment standpoint to be able to say, I want to feature this testimonial on the homepage, this social proof from somebody who's from that state or from that city or from that area that a prospective student might be coming from. So a lot of really cool ideas here. And again, it's geofli.com. If you want more information, let me know. I've got some information with them, and I can help kind of get you set up with some great opportunities, specifically directly with them. So thanks so much.